Good evening everyone and welcome to the Q&A session 21 from the chapter of units and measurements. The topic is the calculation of solid angle of a cone, and this session is a continuation of the session number 18, in which we have studied about the solid angle of few common objects. So in that session we have learned that the solid angle subtended at the vertex of a cone by its top circular surface is given by the formula 2 pi 1 minus cos theta. Now here theta is half of the vertex angle. So here I have already drawn one cone here, and which is based on this question. So in the question we have one inverted cone which has a height of 24 centimeter and its top surface has a circumference of 44 centimeter. So the solid angle subtended at the vertex by the circular surface. So this is the circular surface ADCE. This is an inverted cone, and this is B is the vertex of this inverted cone. So we have to find the solid angle subtended at the vertex by this top surface. And the formula for it is equal to 2 pi 1 minus cos theta. Now theta here is what? It is half of the vertex angle. Before proceeding further, I will just revise the definition of the solid angle. Now solid angle is basically the measurement of 3D angular space which is subtended by an area at a point. So here the circumference of the top surface is 44 centimeters. So 2 pi r, where r is the radius of this top surface, which is circular in shape. So this is 2 pi r will be equal to 44 centimeter. So pi is equal to 22 by 7. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r, this is equal to 44. So this 44 and 44 will get cancelled out. So from here the radius of the top circular surface is equal to 7 centimeter. Now the height of this inverted cone is 24 centimeters. So here OB is equal to 24 centimeter. So if OB is equal to 24 centimeter, OA, which is the radius, is equal to 7 centimeter, then the slant height, that is AB, can be found with the help of Pythagoras theorem. That is AB square will be equal to OA square plus OB square. So this OA square will be equal to 49, and this 24 whole square, this is equal to 576. So if I add both these two, then I will be getting 625. So AB square is equal to 625. So AB will be equal to under root of 625. So it means that now, so here AB will be equal to under root of 625, and this is equal to 25 centimeter. So AB is equal to 25 centimeter. So from here cos theta will be equal to base upon hypotenuse, that is cos theta will be equal to 24 upon 25. Base is OB, and base and this hypotenuse will be equal to AB, which is equal to 25 centimeter, and here OB is equal to 24 centimeter. So cos theta will is equal to 24 by 25. So from this formula, here omega is the sine of the solid angle, and solid angle is dimensionless and is expressed in st radians, which is denoted by SR. So solid angle will be equal to 2 pi 1 minus, now cos theta is equal to 24 by 25. So this will be equal to 25 minus 21, 1 upon 25. So finally I am getting the answer as 2 pi upon 25 SR. So the solid angle subtended at the vertex by the top surface, by the top circular surface of this inverted cone is equal to 2 pi upon 25 steradian. So the correct option here is A. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be discussing a different type of a question from the topic of solid angle. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.